Let's do a short review of MintBuilder. Let's look, specifically, at the offering categories and the monthly membership levels that allow you to receive precious metals every month. Probably the first place you would be interested in is the shop area. Here you can look through the various items MintBuilder has for sale. Here are the categories of items you can select from. Let's start with the bullion category. This is comprised of gold and silver whose value is mainly determined by weight. Here we have bars, non-collectible coins, and some jewelry like bracelets. As you can see, there are several prices displayed for each item. You will see the typical retail price, the basic price, and your price. Your price depends on your membership level. For example, a salesman from a precious metals dealer called me one day about some Morgan silver dollars. He had some from an estate sale he was willing to sell me for $45 each. I logged into MintBuilder to check their price. And I found that my price from MintBuilder was less than $34. You can see that salesmen make a hefty commission from unsuspecting clients. In fact, I did purchase some Morgan silver dollars from MintBuilder. I'm going to hold on to these coins and watch the price of silver rise in the future as the dollar continues to lose value. Next, let's look at collectibles. These items have value beyond their weight in gold or silver. The price often reflects a limited supply or a mint condition. For example, the French €10 silver Midas coin, selectively plated in gold, features a limited mintage of just 3,000 worldwide, in gorgeous proof condition and includes original mint packaging. By clicking on an item you can go to a page that presents details. It's here we see details of how the coin was struck, its packaging, how many were minted, and other information. Another category you may be interested in is wearable wealth. Here you have various forms of gold or silver jewelry, some with coins, bars as part of the jewelry. These are nice if you wear jewelry. The coin supplies category has a number of items you can use to store or display your coins. This includes storage boxes, plastic flaps, coin bags, and other items to contain or display your coins. Now, let's say you wanted to buy some Morgan silver dollar coins. You would first select the number of coins you want and then click the Add to Cart button on the Morgan silver dollar item. You could then click the cart icon in the upper right to see the items you have selected and select how you want the items sent. Now, let's look at membership levels. To use MintBuilder you must be a member. You can select to pay monthly, or get a discount with an annual payment. The annual payment saves quite a bit. Membership allows you to lock in significant price savings as listed here. You get savings on shop premiums, free metal storage, a buyback guarantee, and more as you can see. In addition to your membership, you can select items to build your assets each month. These items include gold bullion, silver bullion, as well as other assets like coins or platinum bars. I have been a member of MintBuilder for several years. I have accumulated a number of assets from both my monthly automatic shipment as well as individual purchases. T's purpose states, MintBuilder is a trusted and respected precious metals company that exists to empower individuals, families, and communities to take building their wealth into their own hands. I think you will find MintBuilder is an excellent way to help build and maintain your wealth. Click the link in the description to learn more about building your own wealth. I welcome you into the MintBuilder family. Join us today to help secure your future from rampant inflation, which really is the devaluation of our currency. Build lasting wealth with precious metals. Simply click the link in the description to get the full details and start building your own legacy of precious metals.